What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with another video, and in today's episode we are selling everything except three things, except the MR2s, the Blitz exhaust, and the cookie tail lights. Man, I gotta ask a lot. Are you selling the cookie tail lights? No way. We are in the storage and we have a whole bunch of stuff we need to put in, and a whole bunch of stuff that needs to go out. And yeah, but let's see what we got. Alright guys, we do got this bumper right here. I'm not selling this bumper though. This is gonna be for me. I am selling one in a house in much better condition, and I'm selling it to a local MR2 owner who's also gonna take this border front bumper. And guys, that wraps it up. We got the border front bumper there. We got a something else for another guy there. We got something else. As you can tell, I am selling almost everything except the pieces that I really love, like the Blitz exhaust. I'm like on the fence, just because I ordered the TCS dual canister last night, so I'm on the fence whether to keep the Blitz exhaust or not, but we'll see. But as of now, I'm gonna hold on and we'll go from there. Anyways, no more 5S GTE. I'm selling my turbo kit, the ECU. The ECU is pretty much sold. Just gotta look for the box and we should be set. And the front bumpers are sold. The long block is sold. What else? And yeah, so that's what we got. We're selling everything. Man, what the hell are you doing, Steven? Are you K-swapping this? I don't know. I just think I want to clear everything out and start fresh. So that's my plan. That's what I am gonna start doing. So I gotta sell everything in this storage, and hopefully my goal is to have everything sold by the end of this year. So I'm gonna start posting the parts slowly but surely. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the big items first, and then the small items, interior bits and pieces here and there. That hoist, the engine stand, all that is leaving. And yeah, next year, 2022, we got bigger goals, bigger plans. You feel me? Be updated. Dale.
Weeks later, many months later, 2,000 years later.
Well guys, I blew the motor. It's done, guys. Damn. Gotta go hurry up. I gotta make it home at least. I at least gotta make it home. Damn, man. Raw reaction, guys. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, damn. Oh, man. This is definitely a setback, but nothing that we cannot fix. Anyways, guys, it's the 13th, 14th, Wednesday, July. And you know what's crazy? That, raw reaction. Oh, man, how do I feel about this? My wife is not happy. She loved her white car. So now I got damn. Oh, man. Oh, man. Damn. Raw reaction, guys. Raw reaction. And you know what? It's crazy because I was a few minutes from my house when it blew up. And all right, so damn. You know what? At least it's just a 5S and not a 3S GTE. Damn. That's definitely going to be a setback. And you know what's crazy? That I had decided about 2 weeks ago I wasn't going to do the 5S GTE build. That's why I started selling everything. You probably saw it that I posted it on my Instagram. I also posted it on my Facebook account. And I have this. I did decide not to do the 5S GTE because trying to make some moves for next year, and I can't go and spend money on motors or whatnot. So this is definitely going to be a setback because as you guys know, the red MR2, the motor is blown on that one. Now the white one, which was my Bailey, blown too. And my brown one, which has a 3rd gen 3S GTE, it's there. I haven't really driven that car. I haven't driven that car since I got it back from Angel. Maybe a block or 2 blocks, but it's just been sitting, to be honest with you guys. And man, I know this lighting is not the best, but raw reaction. And man, do I really care? Of course I care, of course I care. But now I'm thinking, what's gonna be the next move for the white one? I'm not gonna sell it. The good thing is now that I finally quit my job. I quit my job on Friday. It's good. It's all good though. It's all good. But I'm gonna have a lot more time, and a lot more time. So that's a good thing. Oh man, and I was gonna go to Bear Mountain this year too. I was gonna drive it over there too. This car has never given me any issues, and the only thing was the oil leak. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna Mommy, you mad?
Yeah.
She's mad. She's mad. I told her like 5 minutes ago, and she's super mad. I just gotta smile, guys. I just gotta smile. Yeah, it's just a 5S. It's just a 5S. I'll look into it tomorrow. That's all I could do. Look into it tomorrow. Yeah, it sucks, but it's just a 5S, and we'll get to it. Anyways, guys, Gonna go get something to eat. 'Cause I'm hungry. Hopefully it's just a cracked piston. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Officially, I blew the motor on the white MR2 on July 14th at 9:20 something. My wife is pissed, but it is what it is, guys. I'll see you guys later. You already know, every Thursday, watch out for them videos, and let's get it. Stay driven, stay humble, and keep it moving. Dale, que lo que.